four
snowman.
big guys. Here they are. I will just tell you that these will not last long today. And so if you want them, this is the time. Let me just give you a quick mention on these. They're brand new. You're seeing them for the very first time. These are all done in resin. They each one weigh 8 to 9 pounds, by the way. And also the sale price is $79.98, almost $20 less than the QVC price. So that's, and they're brand new today.
Yes.
It's $20 a month for 4 months. And we have Wembley.
And they're lit. I'm not sure if you guys have been
lit.
able to see the beautiful light after we go through the detail, but there's Wembley.
There's the snowman. Oh,
I'm gonna
yeah,
grab the snowman,
absolutely.
okay?
Okay, so there's the snowman. They are 8 to 9 pounds, but that's so that they don't actually blow over, because these are indoor or outdoor.
So look how sweet this snowman is with his mittens, he's holding a little Christmas tree. The cardinal I do in honor of my father. They're resin, Mary Beth.
Right.
They have a timer, a 6-hour timer. If you want, that gives you over 500 hours of glow time, 575 to be exact.
Oh my gosh.
And you set that timer. So there's our snowman. You were holding Wembley.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna actually, you wanna grab gingerbread?
I'll grab a gumdrop.
Gumdrop, yep.
And you
Look
get
at
the
Gumdrop.
penguin.
And then, of course, we have Penny the penguin. So we took our characters, brought them to life.
Yeah.
This is such a passion of mine. I've been collecting these oversized, cute little guys forever.
Yeah.
And so to translate them and bring our characters to life, all of the beautiful bulbs, the color detail, and there's a rubber protection on the bottom of the light base, of the battery base, so that when you're bringing it outside, you don't have to worry about it.
Yep, doesn't get the rain in there. And
Each one is so cute.
Oh my gosh. The reindeer is the most limited. Wembley, honey, you gotta come to Mrs. Rowe's
I
house.
actually designed Wembley after our dog, Jackson, who is an Aussie doodle. Look at this little face. Like, isn't he just like,
I
oh,
like
hey,
the eyes.
oh,
It's
hey.
those eyes that are right together.
And look at how every single one has the cardinal, which I do in honor of my dad. So there's
Beautiful.
Wembley. We have Penny. We have our adorable snowman. Like, you guys, these are so cute, so large.
Indoor, outdoor,
Yes.
and I gotta tell you, when you have resin like this, that is large, hand painted, all that workmanship, most places they will be well over $100.
Easily.
You are getting a sale price, and they're brand new today, and it's less than $80. 4 payments of $20, even off of QVC's price, you're saving almost $20. So it's amazing. Also, at 9 p.m. tonight, David Venable is going to have David's Big Christmas with a lot of big things, and these will be in there too. So if you want to get them before they get into David's show and disappear, I would order them right now. Speaking of David, let's talk a little bit about